What's up, everyone? It's day 15 of the 250 million naira challenge, and things are getting heated up. We've hit the major milestone of making 7.4 million naira in sales from dropshipping, but it's time to take it to the next level. I'm ditching dropshipping and I'm going directly to the source. I'm ordering stock from China, so I'm going to be going to Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688 to look for Chinese suppliers. Bring the product down to Nigeria and distribute it across the states of Nigeria. That's the state of Nigeria. This will give us full control over our inventory and super fast delivery times. I've been working tirelessly to find reliable suppliers in China who can offer high quality product at competitive prices. I've also been negotiating with shipping companies and procurement agents. If you have a shipping company you can recommend to me, please do so in the comment section, or a procurement agent, do so in the comment section. I'll pretty much appreciate that very much, because with our own inventory we can eliminate middleman, thereby giving us a good profit margin. Plus, having local distribution centers will allow us to fulfill orders quickly and efficiently no matter where the customers are located. You understand? Because this is a huge investment, but I believe it's the key to taking our business to the next level. We'll have a greater control over our own supply chain, better margins and faster delivery times. This will give us the competitive edge in the market to help us reach our goal of making 250 million naira in 2025. I'm so excited for the new chapter in our journey. We've come a long way in just 15 days and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Stay tuned for updates on our progress as we build our empire and make our mark in the Nigerian e-commerce scene. So remember, anything is possible with hard work, dedication and a little bit of luck. That's what I pray every morning, honestly. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button. You can ask me questions in the comment sections. I'm going to be replying you. You can inbox me and I'm going to reply you also. Where are you having issues in your business, and where are you having issues running adverts, or are you totally new to what I'm talking about and you want a guide, you want to understand what digital marketing is, what e-commerce is, and you want to hop on this trend? Hit me up on WhatsApp or hit me up on TikTok, YouTube, or drop a comment and I'm going to be hitting you up and I'm going to be directing you on what to do, how to do it, and how to join this challenge and also make good money for yourself. So peace out.